आज सकाळी काउन्सिलरांक म्हण एक हें दवरलें प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द मास्टर प्लॅन जो प्लॅन जी सुडांतल्यान तयार जावपाक सुरवात आसा ती आनी थंय आमी पळयलें की 25 11 काउन्सिलर आसा आनी त्या हाजेरूय बी हांवें हें रेज केल्लो की पब्लीक हियरींग केन्ना जातलें म्हण आनी इवन तेन्नाय आमकां सांगूना की हांगा आज हें आसा म्हण प्रेजेंटेशन आसा म्हण आनी आतां जेन्ना आमकां कळटा हांगा प्रेजेंटेशन आसा म्हण आनी तेन्ना जेन्ना आमी येयले सिटिजन्स येयले जे सोशल हितून इनवॉल्ड आसा बेश्टी न्ही जे एक्चुअली इनवॉल्ड आसा सगळे प्लॅनिंगा हितून टायम टू टायम जे आवाज उठयता ते जेन्ना हांगा एटेंड करपा म्हणून येयले हें पळोवपाक प्रेजेंटेशन जाल्यार ते सांगता इट इज ऑन इन्विटेशन म्हणटा ते आतां कोणा सुमार इन्विटेशनान कित्या हे भाशेन काय डिस्क्रिटली करता ते आमकां समजना सांगपा म्हळ्यार आमचो स्ट्रॉंग डिमांड आसा जेन्ना मास्टर प्लॅन म्हूण तयार जाता फॉर मारगांव जाल्यार पब्लिकाक पुराय हक्क आसा हाजेर कसलो प्लॅन आहा तो तुमी जो ड्राफ्ट करता तो पळोवपाक लोकांक प्रेजेंटेशनूच न्ही प्लस पब्लीक व्ह्युइंगाक ऑर एटलिस्ट ऑन द वेबसायट खंयच्या तरी वेबसायटार व्यू करपा सारकें फॉर ऑब्जेक्शन सजेशन दिवचें कित्याक हेंच हांव जें उलयलें ते प्रमाणे ते सांगता की हें जे ते फायनलायज करताले इट वील बी इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इन द ODP जो ODP आसा आनी ODP फायनलायज जावपाक शकता सो इनडायरेक्टली अशें दिसून येता की हें डिफरंट मेथड ODPंतल्यान हे जे झोन चेंजींग आसा ते सजेस्ट करपाक आनी कोणाक ऑब्जेक्शन हाडपाक मेळपाना तसले समज जाता सेकंडली आमी हेंवूय पळयलां की गार्डन काडून वॉक वेज करपाक सोदता फुटपाथ करपाक सोदतात सो हितून आमी हें सांगपाक सोदता की हे जे फुटपाथ्स आहा ते प्रोबेबली कॉन्क्रिटायज एक जालेंच ग्रीनरी तुमी एंटायर काडपाक सोदता तें एक जालेंच पूण हे जे फुटपाथ्स आनी हे तुमी करपाक सोदता ते कोणा खातीर आनी एडिशनल हॉकर्स हाडून घालपाक मडगांव डेव्हलपमेंट्स एक्चुअली जाय जाल्यार जे एनक्रोचमेंट्स आहा जे फुटपाथ्स ऑलरेडी ऑक्युपाय करून एनक्रोच जाल्ले आहा ते क्लीन केलें जाल्यार कितलेशे डेव्हलपमेंट आमी मानपाक शकतात पूण तें जायना तुमी आनी एडिशनल हें करता पूण ऑल दीस थिंग्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हांव एकटो मुगेलो ओपिनियन बट दुसरोय लोक आसा जे जाणकार आसा जे ह्या प्लॅनिंग हितून इनवॉल्ड आसा तांच्याय नदरे मुखार हो प्लॅन दवरचो आनी तांचीय ऑब्जेक्शन सजेशन्स कितें आहा ती घेवची असलो हो आमचो स्ट्रॉंग डिमांड आसा.
Anthony Gonsalves, and basically I'm an engineer. Now what I'm just trying to bring to the notice of this present government, don't do things behind our back. We are the concerned citizens of Goa, and since a couple of days back we faced the same situation in Donapaula. When we went to the Oceanography Institute, citizens are not wanted, Gaonkars are not wanted, and the same is here. We citizens are not wanted. Only now they are having a meeting there, and as I can recall, this meeting is only for builders. Now, how the builder without the consent of citizen can go ahead, same like we don't want that smart city like Panjim to happen here. This project can be a failure. And I'm saying failure not only in this construction. We got garbage, which is a black hole for Goa, for Margao. Every day, heavy duty trucks are plying at 5 when it's a bit dark, under our nose, under the guys. And where they are making another sound, I don't know. Every day, and not 1, 8 or 9 trucks. That's gone. Now what I'm saying is law and order situation. Just a couple of days back, I was caught. And why I was caught is by the cops hiding. They are hiding below every nook and corner, just trying to catch us. Why? If you are going slow, if you are carrying something in the bag, or if you are not wearing helmet. Okay, we are not wearing helmet, you are right. But what about the potholes all over in Margao, in Gandhi Market, in the city, main city, all potholes at ITI, Bodda. The situation of the roads is so horrible. So this is what we are concerned, and we came here. But we are not wanted. Citizens, only the builders are wanted. Same like Smart City, Panjim, all destroyed. And this is also going to only to make money.
मारगांवच्या लोकांगे कितें तेमी इनपूट घेवपाक जाय आसलें बाबा तेंक कितें जाय वा ते आर फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम्स आतां सद्या मारगांव आयज पासून पेपराचेर येयलां की रिवर साल पॉल्यूट जावन सगळी डिस्ट्रॉय जालो आहा म्हणून हें बेस्ट पयलें मेन थींग आमी अंडरस्टँड जावपा जाय बाबा डेव्हलपमेंट करता जाल्यार वॉट कायंड ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट वी आर आस्किंग. First thing we need to understand what is the carrying capacity of Margao city. Carrying capacity of Margao city is that all Margao people live without compromising the quality of life. पण आमगे ऑलरेडी उदक पॉल्यूट जालो आहा, एअर वॉट वी ब्रीथ इज ऑल्सो कंटिमिनेटेड. बाजारां कितें जेवण मेळटा तें पासून पॉल्युटेड जालो आहा. देर इज नो चॅक एंड बॅलन्स. सो आमी वॉट कायंड ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो आमी सगळे सिटीजन एक जायन डिस्कस केल्यार जाण एकल्यागे इनपूट घेवन देन वी कॅन सी बाबा वॉट इज गुड, वॉट इज नॉट गुड. एकठांय जावन केल्यार इट वील बी अ गुड फॉर अस एंड ऑल्सो फॉर आवर फ्युचर जनरेशन. दिस इज वॉट वी आर ट्रायंग टू प्लॅन.
I came because I received on WhatsApp a message that there's going to be a presentation on the proposed master plan of Margao. So I came and we went up and there's a board there saying it's only for invitees. So we were refused entry. So I want to know when is the presentation for the public and what is this master plan vis-a-vis the ODP and on what the basis is being prepared.
Exercise of preparing the master plan has to go in a very systematic way, in a very transparent way. The first step is they have to identify a framework as to what will be the scope of this master plan, what will entail, because we don't know whether it will entail roads, maintenance, rivers, garbage, all that thing. Then they have to call for inputs. Inputs should be from all stakeholders. Fine, builders, councillors, everyone, they are also stakeholders. But it should be known in advance that which are the stakeholders that will be a part of this process. So there are civil engineers here, there are professionals who can give valuable inputs. And if this does not happen, we will end up in a situation like Smart City in Panjim, where crores will be poured and then there will be nothing to show. So all we are asking is our city needs a master plan. It's a desperate need of master plan. The master plan has to work not only for the municipality but for the SGPDA and all the other authorities. So for this process, the first principle of it should be transparency, and we feel that this is not transparent. Forget about us, even the press also is not invited. So what sort of things are going on that it creates a doubt in our mind that even the press is not invited. Why is the builder stakeholders so scared of letting the press know what questions or what suggestions they'll be giving? So this kind of creates a doubt which we hope that the government will sort it out and give a presentation to the whole public, or at least release the master plan document to the public and take in our suggestions of whatever we can contribute and do a proper plan so that it will be effective, which will require least amount of money involved, and it will have the most benefit to the people who are staying.